Welcome to all my learning friends. Today I will discuss magnetic property of lanthanide elements. We know there are some abnormality in magnetic property of lanthanide elements. Whatever it may be greater than the expected value or less than the expected value, but there are some abnormality are there. In this class, I totally discussed the magnetic property of lanthanide elements. Firstly, I discussed separately how it is calculated and what is value and what is its expected value. And in a table, I totally discussed all the magnetic properties of all lanthanide elements. And this topic is very important for NET, SET, GATE student, and it is very important also MSc student because of if you see the competitive exam question paper, various competitive exam or chemistry based exams, whatever may be the admission for MSc or whatever for NET exam, SET exam, various question paper, this types question is common question, and therefore you may carefully it is practice at home and again. That is why you may face the questions in the competitive exam. And firstly, we see here the electronic configuration of the lanthanide elements. We formatted table. One side right here elements with atomic number, and the other side complete electronic configuration. If you see the electronic configuration of lanthanide, first elements the lanthanum of lanthanide series, that is atomic number is 57, and the electronic configuration is xenon, that is actually inert gas xenon, and 4f0 5d1 6s2. Basically expected electronic configuration xenon 4f1 5d0 6s2, but in case of lanthanide elements the expressional electronic configuration 4f0 5d1 6s2. Electron will enter in 5d, not f, and 3 but expressional case in the lanthanum series, one of the lanthanum elements. And if you come lanthanum to cerium, that is 58 atomic number, the electron configuration is xenon 4f2 5d0 6s2, and total electron actually expected 5d electron not present, and generally it is expected electron configuration, and that is why 4f2 5d0 6s2. And similarly praseodymium 59 4f3 5d0 6s2. Similarly neodymium 4f4 5d0 6s2. pm promethium 5 4f5 5d0 6s2. Samnium also same 4f6 5d0 6s2. urium 3 plus 4f7 5d0 6s2. But in case of gadolinium, the atomic number 64, the electronic configuration you see here 4f7 5d1 6s2, because of as half fill electronic configuration of f orbital is also stable, and due to more stable, and the f should remain in half fill, and the other electron will be remain in 5f. Actually here electron configuration is 4f7 sorry 4f8, but actually will remain electron configuration. This is also expressional case 4f7 5d1 and 6s2. In case of TB terbium, that is electronic configuration will be 4f9, that is 7 to actually 9, and 5d0 also 0 and 6s2. And same for dysprosium 66, that is 4f10 5d0 6s2. Now next page, that is atomic number 67, electronic configuration is 4f11 5d0 6s2. iridium 5f 4f12 5d0 6s2. TM, that is 4f13 5d0 6s2. YB terbium, that is 4f14 5d0 6s2. And lutetium in case of 71, this is also electronic configuration 4f14 5d1 and 6s2. It is also that expressional case. That is actually here in case of lutetium f orbital is also is completely full, and that is why the actually electron will be in 5d1 5d orbital, that is 5d1. It is also same configuration, but actually in case of lanthanide and samarium, we see here expansional case. Actually sorry, lanthanide and gadolinium in case of this case is expansional for lanthanide series. You write the electronic configuration in this case, you remember it. And in various competitive exam, this chemistry based MSc admission exam, these elements electron configuration is want to write down, and various questions come in these two elements for electron configuration. You must write in 5d1, 4f0, 5d1 and 6s2, and also 5 4f7, 5d1, 6s2. This is actually inverted this is exceptional case. The magnetic property of an ions or atoms is due to the presence of unpaired electrons in it, and thus since both lanthanide 3 plus, this is actually here we calculate mainly magnetic properties of lanthanide 3 plus elements, that is actually firstly introduced lanthanide 3 plus, and the electronic configuration is 4f0, 5d0, 6s0. Because of you see the electronic configuration in above, the all the elements electronic configuration is last 4f1 to 14, d 5d 1 to 2, and 6s2, and the when it is plus and the electron lost from the valence shell, that is outer orbitals, and that is firstly removed for 6s orbital, that is 2 electron, and then in case of lanthanide from d orbitals it is moved 1 electron, that is a lanthanide 3 plus 3 electron lost, and that is electronic configuration is 4f0, 5d0, 6s0. That is no electron is present in the f orbital. Actually I calculate the magnetic property totally of 4f orbitals in case of lanthanide elements. Actually basically what is unpaired electrons present in the 4f, and that is why it's very important, because of I will calculate the unpaired electrons I totally see in case of lanthanide 3 plus, that is f0 or sorry f orbitals, and in case of lutetium 3 plus, that is a f14 electron, that is actually no unpaired electron present in these two cases, and those and the no are not paramagnetic, this is actually diamagnetic in nature. Since the most of the lanthanide ions, the energy difference between two successive J levels of a multiple is a strong LS coupling, that is bot coupling, actually LS Russian central coupling actually. In these ions, unpaired electrons in n-2 f orbitals are quite deeply seated, and hence we are well shielded by 5s and 5p electrons from the effect of the atoms and their compound. That is actually say here the electron removed from 5 6s and 5p, and that is it is still here. And consequently, the effective magnetic property lanthanide ions is expression of samarium 3 plus and uranium 3 plus are given as follows the equations. Actually, samarium 3 plus and uranium 3 plus, this equation is not valid for this equation, and actually equation is general. Others, the exceptional equation is E mu effective, that is mu j is equal to g into j plus 1, and bm. Bm is the magnetic properties unit, and j is a coupling constant, and g is land splitting factor is given by g, which is g is equal to 1 plus j into j plus 1 plus s into s plus 1 minus l into l plus 1 by 2j into j plus 1. This is very important formula actually we introduced here. G is equal to 1 plus j into j plus 1 plus s into s plus 1 minus l into l plus 1 by 2j into j plus 1. This is very important equation. Where the j is a coupling constant and s is spin multiplicity, that is spin, total spin, and l is equal to actually orbital contribution, actually value, orbital quantum value, that is l, total sum of spin magnetic properties, that is l represent here. Here I said S, what is S value, that is resultant spin quantum number, L is equal to resultant orbital quantum number, and Z is equal to resultant inner quantum number, which is obtained by coupling L and S, LS coupling. The energy difference between the successive energy levels, that is J, is comparable to KT, and J levels above the lowest energy J levels and populated by the atoms or to some extent. Actually between j plus 1 to j, the energy difference is kT, that is thermal energy difference. Actually the magnetic properties is guided in this case, you a very important point you saw, that is magnetic property is guided by total kT, that is thermal energy kT value. And question 1, we calculate the magnetic property of lanthanum 3 plus, that is first elements lanthanum 3 plus. for lanthanide series. And there is electronic configuration, you know, 4F0, 6S0 and 5D also 0. And there is case answer the known electron are present in the systems, and that is why ML we calculate ML value, that is all value is 0. L is equal to 0, S is equal to 0, and J plus J value, that is L plus S plus L plus S minus 1, that order L minus 1 to valid equation actually J value, and that is J value also 0, and this is G is equal to also 0, not possible actually G value calculated, and also mu J is not possible calculated here, actually this value is 0 basically. The questions 2, that is in case of cerium 3 plus, calculate the magnetic properties of cerium 3 plus, and answer is there are 1 electron present, and that is Ml value actually plus 3, 1 electron present in these rooms, and that is L is equal to 3, S is equal to half, that is 1 electron present, where this S is spin quantum number, each electron half spin, and that is half, and J value, that is more or less according to Hund's rule, if you less than the less than half fill, and its ground state will be L minus S value, J is equal to L minus S, and that is 3 minus half is equal to 5 by 2. Actually, Hund's rule here should be written here, the various point, 3 point. And the very important points of Hund's rule, that is when the system is more than half fill, that is J will be, ground state J will be L plus L. More than half fill, J will be L plus L, and less than half fill, J will be L minus S, that is actually 3 minus half, actually is equal to 5 by 2. This is very important topic in this for calculating magnetic properties of lanthanide elements. This point is very important. Yes, G is equal to, I put the value 1 plus 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1 plus half into half plus 1 minus 3 into 3 plus 1, that is actually 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 plus 2 plus 1, actually this value will be 6 by 7, and G is equal to mu J is equal to the magnetic property, that is actually G into L, J into J plus 1, that is we input the value, and this we calculate 2.54 this value. Next question, question 3, the magnetic property of PR3 plus or positive 3 plus, the electronic configuration is, we know 4F0, 6S, 4F2, 6S0, 5D also 0, and if you see the general configuration, that is electron present 3 ml value 2 rooms, that is 3 and 2, or ml value 3 and 2, and this you will calculate the L value, L equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5, S is equal to 2 into half, that is 1, and J is equal to J, L minus 1, that is actually 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and you calculate this J value, that is 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 by 2J into J plus 1, that is we input the value, and we get 4 by 5. If you calculate mu J, that is J into J in root over of J into J plus 1, that is we input the value and calculate 3.58. This is actually a magnetic value. Similarly, you will calculate, maybe calculate of neodymium 3 plus, Nd3 plus, that is electronic configuration 4F3, and L you may calculate 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6, S is equal to 3 by 2, and J is equal to 6 minus 3 by 2, and then 9 by 2, and you will from this inputting the value, you may calculate Z value. G is equal to 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S is equal into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 by 2J into J plus 1, that is the input the value, and calculate 8 by 11, and mu J you input the value, and actually J value, J is equal to 9 by 2, we calculated before, and input the value, and we calculate 3.62 pm. Question 5, you may calculate in PM3 plus, promethium 3 plus, that is electronic configuration 4F4, this is also L is equal to 6, S is equal to air change 2, and J is equal to L minus S, that is less than half filled, and is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and you can calculate G value is equal to 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 by 2J J plus 1, and similarly you put the value and calculate 3 by 5, and from the equation you can also calculate mu J, that is we see here 2.70 bm. You may calculate also samarium 3 plus, that is electronic configuration is 4F5, the 5 electrons present, and this case of L is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 minus 1, 5 electron present in the systems. Actually 0 is not written here. Actually value is okay. 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus 1, that is cancel. Actually 3 plus 2 actually 5. S is equal to 5 into half into 5 by 2, and J is equal to L minus S, also less than half pill, and then this is Y. 5 minus 5 by 2, the actual value is 5 by 2. And from the this putting the value, you can calculate G value. G equal to, we will get calculate here. You see following this equation 2.2 by 7, and input the value of G into J into J plus 1, that is we calculate 0.84 bm. That is very low value actually. You see here the expected value, it is low, and in this case this expressional case of samarium 3 plus. And you may also come see here uranum 3 plus, that is electron configuration of 4f6 and f6 is 0, 4f6 and 6 is 0, and also the electronic configuration here present. L equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 3, and S is equal to 3, and J is equal to, it is also less than half pill, and that is why J into L minus S, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That is J is equal to 3. The very important point here, you also calculate G value following the equation. There's as J is equal to 0, and as you may calculate it here. Actually 0 into 0 plus 1, that is actually 0 by 0. That's actually you may not calculate here G value, and that is why you may J also may not calculate. Actually we know here the value of G 0, but actually it is not mathematically you calculated this actually value. And in this case there are two expressional case, that is uranum 3 plus, that is EU 3 plus, and SM 3 plus, that is samarium 3 plus. In this expressional case which show magnetic property is very abnormality in nature, and that is why samarium 3 plus and uranum 3 plus, this is very important for your competitive exam. You remember it, the expressional case. We also calculate the magnetic moment mu for GD3 plus, and the electronic configuration is where 4f7, that is actually half fill case. I mean here L is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0, and S is equal to A7 by 2, and J will be value actually J L plus S to L minus S vary, and which is J value we expect here. It is half fill orbital. That is why actually in case of half fill you may also the J formula is L minus S. L minus S you may also plus L plus S apply. Actually mathematical equation will be same, but we here calculate here following the equation J equal to L minus S, and that is why 0 minus 7 by 2 and mod of, and that is 7 by 2. You may calculate here G value, and you using the equation you may G is equal to 2, and that is why G into J is equal to 7 by 2, and that is we input the value and we calculate 7.97. It is very high value of magnetic body you see here. And similarly you can calculate GY 3 plus, that is electron configuration 4F9. Actually you may greater than the half fill actually. See here the general electronic configuration, and L value we calculate here 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and that is why cancel each other, and this electron configuration will 5, and S is equal to unpaired electron present here 5 and 5 by 2. S is equal to actually present unpaired electron, spin of unpaired electron, that is 5 into 5 half. That is L is equal to, formula will be 5 plus 5 by 2, 5 plus 5 by 2, that is actually 15 by 2, and we calculate G value following this inputting the value, and calculate here 4 by 3. Actually value will be 4 by 3. Now using 4 by 3 G value, we calculated mu J, and it's using the same formula, and we can calculate here 10.60, that is the which is very high than the expected value. And now all lanthanide elements we calculate the magnetic properties in stable format. We compact here, one side you line here, right here, lanthanide 3 plus ions. Actually basically we calculate the all magnetic property for 3 plus ion. Total number of electron present in the system, that's basically the total electron present is calculated here, means actually f orbital, how many electrons present is f orbital, and then term symbol we write here the term, what is term symbol of an lanthanide elements, and s is equal to n by 2. S is your spin, that is unpaired electron present, and n means the number of the unpaired electron is present in the system, n denoted as number of unpaired electron. L value, J value, G value, and using G we calculate here mu J, that is usually J into root over of J plus J plus 1, G into root over of J into J plus 1, using the this formula that is actually introduce the orbital contributions. What is the magnetic property of lanthanide? This is very important, and we write here. And next table we have mu J is equal to root over of n into n plus 2, where n means the number of the unpaired electrons present in the systems. Actually basically it is simple value, and we calculate here, calculate magnetic property, but general formula, this is before the introduced of G, we this formula, using this formula we may calculate the magnetic value. But in case of lanthanide elements, this is actually not expected, actually due to into orbital contribution introduced, orbital contribution, the actually magnetic property is changed, and there we generally we use the formula in this case mu J is equal to G into J in root over of J into J plus 1. And the expected mu value, what is it? Maybe it is greater than or less than, we compare here from this table. And there is firstly we write here Ln 3 plus, that is first element of lanthanide series, and then we need Ln 3 plus, no unpaired electron present in the f orbital, and hence it is what actually term symbol 1 is 0, that in this in this class we not discussed what is term symbol, how it is calculated, but next class I will totally discussed what is term symbol, how it is calculated for lanthanide elements, lanthanide elements. And from this class you may write here no here, but you write here simply the term symbol. And S is equal to this is number of unpaired electron spin, no unpaired electrons present in the system, that is S is equal to 0, L is equal to 0, J is equal to 0, and G is equal to not calculated. And we show the magnetic value, G is 0 0, and this it is actually mu expected also 0, and this means the mu is equal to 0 means this lanthanide 3 plus is diamagnetic in nature. You can some series 3 plus, the number of unpaired electron present 1, and total electron also present in orbital is 1, and this L value is equal to 3, J value is equal to 5 by 2, and G value is equal to 6 by 7. You may total calculate the G value, L value, and we calculate it before in separately. You may roughly page use, and you may calculate it, the L value, G value, G value, and so in this is same. And this using the G, introducing G, that is G into J root over of J into J plus 1, you may calculate the magnitude value 2.54, and using root over of n into n plus 2, this formula we can go 1.7, and expected value is 2.3 to 2.5, that is you see here 2.54, that is very changes in the magnetic property. There is 2.54, but expected is 2.3 to 2.5. Actually introducing G, it is into much value than expected value. Actually very much for 1.7, that is actually normal equations. Using normal equations you may calculate the magnetic property 1.7, but here using the G we may calculate 2.54. This is very hard, actually abnormality is shown here. And similarly you can calculate PR3 plus, UD3 plus, ND3 plus, positive 3 plus, and similarly in same formula. Also we separately calculated in the before class, before in this class, before page. And here see the interval. Next, what is next page? What I see here? Same is discussed, and for PM3 plus, PM3 plus, samarium 3 plus, uranium 3 plus, and GD, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, hafnium, iridium, and same the table is formed. But in case of C, samarium 3 plus, uranium 3 plus, in this case of actually samarium 3 plus, you may total unpaired electron present in system, total electron present is 5, and unpaired electron also present is 5, that is S is equal to 5 by 2, and 5 electron presents. And using this simple formula you may calculate that n root over of n plus n into n plus 2, actually you can calculate 5.9. in case of samarium 5.9, it is very high, moderately high. And but you using the G introduced, that's actually mu calculated 0.54. It is very less than the normal simple equation, that is here in you know In case of lanthanide elements, the orbital contribution is introduced, and due to orbital contribution, the magnetic properties is generally increased. But in case of samarium 3 plus, it is very exceptional case. This is actually expected value. Also, actually 1.5 to 1.6. Actually, we obtain 0.84. That is actually equal to 1. But you can simply the equation root over n plus n plus 2. You see 5.9 is very much value. What is why this value is actually less than the expected, actually simply equation using that is 5.9, which is why is less than. You can make question to you. I question it to you. I discuss in next class, but you may answer this topic, and you may contact here 8250173629, and WhatsApps you may in this number 8250173629. This is my mobile number. And same is for urium 3 plus, that is EU 3 plus. That is actually you calculate here basically using the simple formula. This is 6.9 root over of n into n plus 2. You calculate 6.9. Actually into the g value by basically we here I not seen magnetic property, and this expected value you see that is actually 3.4 and 3.6. That is actually basically this equation is not explain this for samarium 3 plus urium 3 plus this for these elements. This is exceptional case, and that is why you examine these two elements, the magnetic property what is abnormal, and it is common question for samarium 3 plus gadolinium 3 plus in this samarium 3 plus urium 3 plus. It is in the question paper. I mean, in various net exam, this value is you see question what is the magnetic property of urium 3 plus, what is magnetic property of samarium 3 plus. You may get question this question is common. They are due to abnormality, and expect samarium 3 plus urium 3 plus in next gadolinium 3 plus. It is same. You may calculate here terbium 3 plus dysprosium urium 3 plus hafnium iridium. It is same, and you may see a table here. And next table. Last elements, ytterbium 3 plus, lutetium 3 plus, there is total electron 13, 14, and number of electron present actually in this case, 1, that is actually half, and 0 total electron. J value, L value, G value is also calculated. And ytterbium 3 plus, you may see here 4.50, that is mu J, J into G into J over of J into J plus 1. 4.50, that is expected value is 4.4 to 4.9. That is actually totally match the expected value. But in case you use a simple equation 1.7, actually basically less than. And lutetium silver no unpaired electron present, that is F14 electronic system from the electronic configuration, and that is why the magnetic value is equal to 0. It is basically and is that hence it is diamagnetic in nature. So totally in this class I discussed the magnetic property of lanthanide elements, and you will be very help you to answer very competitive chemistry based exam. Actually you may practice it at home again and again. And what is your problem, and if you face some problem, you may contact 8250173629, and also comment box you may comment and please share these topics to your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.